Today we're taking our Week 10 quiz in science over properties of matter. You will write it in your first name and your last name. Now I'm going to start reading the questions, starting with number 1. Remember, you may pause this video and you may play back if you need me to repeat any of the questions. Number 1. Students needed a heavier piece of wood to build a house. Which tool will they use to find which piece of wood is the heaviest? A. Balance. B. Thermometer. C. Magnet. Or D. Wind vane. Number 2. Rocks and stones are used in building some houses. Which property of rocks and stones makes them good for buildings? A. Rocks are lightweight. B. Rocks can be eaten by insects. C. Rocks are solids that last a long time. Or D. Rocks are very flexible. Number 3. Students collected materials for a project they were building. Which material is the least flexible? A. Cardboard. B. Aluminum foil. C. Notebook paper. Or D. Wood. Number 4. A property of some wood is rough. That property is called A. Flexibility. B. Texture. C. State of matter. Or D. Temperature. Number 5. Students were collecting materials to build a model house. Each of the building materials must have which property? A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Rough. Or D. Folded. Number 6. Which material will build the strongest building? A. Cloth and string. B. Tissue paper and glue. C. Sticks and wooden blocks. Or D. Notebook paper and tape. 7. A nail has several properties. Which word below names one property of a nail? A. Flexible. B. Magnetism. C. Liquid. Or D. Oval shape. Number 8. Why do people use bricks to build a house? A. Bricks will burn up in a fire. B. Bricks are not as heavy as paper. C. Bricks will fly away on a windy day. Or D. Bricks will not melt in the rain. Number 9. Which word below is not a property of cardboard? A. Heavier than notebook paper. B. Solid. C. Cold as ice. Or D. Bends easily. 10. Which building material is most likely to last the longest? A. Rocks. B. Wood. C. Sticks. Or D. Tape. Please go back and read through all your questions and answer choices before submitting your quiz. Thank you.